Today's custom MiniMedBox is headed to California. Let's look at what this customer ordered. Tums for heartburn relief. Zyrtec for seasonal allergies. Advil and Tylenol for pain and fever. Melatonin for sleep support. Colis for gentle constipation relief. Zofran, prescribed for nausea. NyQuil and Dayquil for cold and flu symptoms day or night. Dramamine to prevent motion sickness. I love how organized this box is. Everything in one place when you need it. Thank you so much for supporting our shop.